amigo, amiga, good morning. This is Lulu Chef Mashpo. Guys, by the way, I woke up so early and I had my yoga, stretching exercise, and then I feel like I'm getting hungry. After that, I cook munggo, but based on the prawns and lettuce. Look at this. Okay, here we go. Jaran! This is my munggo, guys. Alright, first I just saute the onion, garlic, and tomato. Alright, pero before that, nilagay ko muna, I get the pan, yung frying pan. So inuna ko muna yung shrimp, yung prawns. Ayan na yun. Alright, so that would be like 6 pieces lang or 7 pieces kasi ako lang naman eh. So ayan, ang gagawin ko is like what I told you every now and then, ilalagay ko muna yung prawns, right, on the pan. Pag mainit na, lalagay ko yung prawns. And then, after that, pag nagsisimmer na siya ng konti, like yung tunog na like that, tsaka ako ilalagay ng warm water. Alright? And then, pag medyo nag-dry up na siya, nag-simmer na, that's the time I'm gonna put the pepper. Kasi guys, ganun ang style ko. Although I'm watching our mother every time she cooks, pero ako yung pinakamasarap. Huwag kayo maingay ha, kailan nakakalam niya. Ate ko magaling magluto. Si Mates, chef yun. Nag-enroll yun. Magaling din magluto. Si Ate Mi magaling din. Pero ako ang pinakamasarap at pinakamagaling at artistic. Quiet lang kayo ha. But anyway guys, kidding aside, all of us are good in cooking, promise. Alright, this is the prawns. I'll go back again. I just steamed the prawns for a while. And then, after that, I put pepper. And then, that's the time I add salt. Alright, whether rock salt, iodized salt, better. And then, after that, that's the time I add the onion, garlic, and tomato. Alright, so sinutay ko siya together with the prawns para at least, 'di ba, yung prawns medyo, alam mo na, mag-stick on yung lasa niya. Promise guys, when you bite the shrimp, it's a shrimp licking good, like a chicken licking good. This is a shrimp, alright? So after ko saute, that's the time I'm gonna put the munggo. By the way, yung munggo, in-steam ko muna. So, pina-steam ko muna siya. Kasi alam mo na, medyo matagal maluto yan. Kailangan i-steam mo. That's the munggo. Guys, may sauce yan ha. Pero nandun lang. Siyempre, alam mo na, nag-soak na siya dun sa prawns. And then, together with the... By the way, I add also this one. What is that? That one. Alright, I add carrots. Guys, look at the way I cut the carrots. I cut the carrots like that. May mga square, may mga circle, may mga small tidbits. Kasi guys, pag niluto mo, makikita mo yung effect. Okay? And then, so while ko na sinusaute siya, di ba may onion, garlic, and tomato. Alright? So meron na siyang, that's the time nilagay ko yung munggo para mag-mix sila together with the prawns. And then, nilagyan ko rin siya ng carrots and bell pepper na red. Chili. So, nandun siya siguro. Probably nandun na sa pan. Hindi ko lang nakuha. And then, di ba normally we put the ampalaya. Guys, iba yung style ko. I separately the lettuce. That's the lettuce. Alright? So, binili ko yan guys, 20 pesos lang. And then, ito naman yung isa pang lettuce. So, binili ko rin siya, almost 30 lang. Pero marami pa rin kasi nga, diba, kilala ko lahat sila. Shout out to all the girls there. Ate, kuya. Ate Minda, bumili ko. Kalang, I don't know if it's your mom. She gave me discounts and she gave me this. So, I would like to shout you out. Thank you for the discounts. Tsaka sa mga tips na binibigay ko sa'yo. For you yon. And then, guys, I add also egg. Binoil ko yan. So, yan. Kasi, guys, arty-arty, diba? Para at least merong egg. Tapos, I cut it into 3 pieces. So this will be my breakfast and lunch, and probably later on, kahit dinner ito na rin. Kasi guys, may lang ako kumain kahapon, nag-fruits lang ako, hindi ako nag-rice. Kasi nga, di ba, nag-cook ako ng biko, may order. So, ang sarap ng bibingka, guys, promise. So, mga bata, ginagawa ko to, yung nagpupunta kay Lolo. Shout out to mga bata. Kaya lang, pinalitan na nila yung name eh. Ginawa na nila mababait na bata. Okay, this is my music, guys. Look, it's a Friday music. Friday music mellow. December, you know, I like jazz, right? December chill beats, jazz, hip hop, instruments. Nice. So that would be like 3 hours. It's a BGMC music. Okay, let's go back again to my cook. So I'll just summarize, ha. Guys, sinutay ko lang. Ang tawag dito, guys, it's a munggo base. But the ingredients there, just like a typical, you know, like a saute of onion, garlic, pepper. And then guys, look at this. Look the way I cut the ginger. I add some ginger, guys, para mag-spicy. And then para, alam mo na, kasi prawns yan eh. Alam mo naman yung prawns, may lasa yan, di ba? So, mas maganda yan para mag-stick on yung lasa. Guys, promise, ang sarap. Daig mo pa in-order dun sa restaurant or sa hotel. And look at the presentation, di ba? So guys, like what I told you, di ba? Meron akong challenge sa lahat ng mga manunood nito at makikinig. Kindly